Kahil State People's Democratic Party Hspdp ha kasngi baar kalapan pau ya kejing Thungkam ban Kyllum lang no haju ya ka Bhah Thungkam ke ba prapo person na ka benta ki khasi jaintia bat karo ban ya da na kejing pendulat ne nyoben ya kano ke jaj benriu ha ka dorkas ke bala pa sya ka expert committee halor ka state reservation policy u president ka Hspdp u ba KP pangnyang ulaong pa kadangkam ban khui benia biang ya ka reservation policy jongka khat a trik ukula lingkot khat kendai ni opoar na ka benta ka jingroi jingpar ha baro kiliang ha ka bayade bat ka Thungkam Thungjam da ka babu hakmat ya ka jingdon ya ki jai benriu boper
Di kumka party kumagila don ko manifesto bangin revise ya ka reservation policy. Di kumtaru hani ka point ka ba ka jeng Jingmut ni kolong ban combine 40% or 50%. Ya ka ba for both khasi jantia and garos in order of merit habide ka no ka Jingmut kam sarkar bide exam. No. But da ka combine 40 to 80% in order of merit. Come to do away 40 for khasi jantias, 40 for garos combine. Kata ketika suggestion ka bani kong bini ai kenapa kan create ki healthy competition no among the educated employee youth no. Number 2 hakabidi bat ka office memorandum jo ka 18 December 1972 hakabidi bat ki come up district level post kapati ko suggest kana 4% namta ki khasi jantia apo district khasi jantia hills 90% for khasi jantias in the district of khasi and jantia hills and whereas 90% namta ki district tan ta gigaro kuma gigaro ki khasi 90%. Oh. Number 4 hagabidi baka paratu juga resolution kadon kini ke kini bomba ladador ki deficiency kuma kalong hapo manchupuli kuma kadon nepo resolution mo. If there is a deficiency in the number of scheduled tribes and scheduled castes, shall be carried forward to the next recruitment year and made good in the recruitment of that year. Kapag disini suggest me to do away the process of carried forward. Kapag kalau ba on the particular year lada kanu ka sarkar ka khot pan apply kam le ban thap kam nu ban penep ang usna without the process of carried forward. Taka di point number 4. But the most important point was number 5. Nakana ka party hagabidi ba state reservation policy January 12. New allocation of seats for the academic careers, allocation of seats for academic careers in terms of khasi chanting and garos mo. Kamdan kanu ka proper indication habidi ba percentage marks. Then nakali ang party ngimdan iban ang issue ka pa yung ko committee can relook into the matter. Di kumakalong mantalong kadon la ka percentage. Di kanang manwanra ita ka efficiency but yata ka combine 80% at ay kanil di winning important points kabaka ni Jingmut sa committee bakan pet bahay kani kanang panum siya silang apreng kiniki lightly kasi jantia garo.